Started the second set, ladies and gentlemen. Philippine Army having an easy time, at least towards the latter part of that first set against Team Malaysia. They won that by 11, but now we have the second set. And let's see if Team Malaysia can rebound from that one. So starting things off here. Etong si Lai Kuan Lim on that serve. Here is Michelle Carolino, blocked there at the net. They go to the other side right now for Balse. Carolino cannot get it across, but Torres can.
Free ball.
Here's the quick set ngayon. Papunta rito sa kanilang bagong player. Ito si Chuli Tan. Seeing her first action, and Michelle Carolino gets the first point for the Philippine Army.
Yeah, but what we have to realize that this Malaysian squad, they're actually trying to gel because they're apparently these players come from 3 different teams.
That's right.
In their league in Malaysia. So I was talking to Coach earlier that you know, since it's Hugot, they haven't gelled really.
Right. Well, 2-0 right now. That service ace coming from Tina Salak. So Salak getting the Philippine Army off to a pretty good start. Salak with that sharp serve. Mohammed is there. They go to Cho. That's Jocelyn Cho just drops it in, and that's just bad placement by the defensive alignment of the Philippine Army.
That's right, but good news for Malaysia. Well, leading scorers here in this match for Army, we have the sisters, Michelle and Mayet, topping the stat sheet.
That serve by Cho. Here's Michelle Carolino once again. That time off the block of Suk Ting Yu.
Well, there in the first set as well. Malaysia, that's why Army won by quite a huge lead because they committed 8 unforced errors.
Right. And there's Jocelyn Cho once again. There's the attack deflected at the net there by Tan. And the attack, that's a strong attack there coming from Te.
A good dig.
Wow. Great dig. That's even a better dig right there. But a setting violation here against Mohammed. After a really good dig there coming from Jocelyn Cho.
You know, you can feel for that player, like as a player before, when you really like dive, parang ang hirap-hirap, but you're able to...
error pa.
Tapos error.
Balse. Mohammed. Back set right now for you. Kept alive. Here is Tan, and Tan drops it in and sticks out her tongue at the same time.
That was a lucky break.
Yeah. That is Chuli Tan, the 23-year-old, coming off the bench, and she will be serving right now. So Chuli Tan, service is long.
Well, you can see most of the Malaysians are still opting for the old-fashioned serves near the service line.
Tina Salak din ganun. Pero kay Tina Salak, alim.
That's right.
And now, there's the setup. The attack there coming from Che. Salak on the back set to Carolino. Nice dig there by Lim. They go to Te once again. Te, off-speed attack.
Wow.
Buna gets it across with her left hand. Set up one more time, and that was really a matter of time before Malaysia scored there from Suk Ting Yu, because the defense of the Philippine Army is just all over the place.
That's right, but give credit to Malaysia. Now they are actually looking like a better oiled machine than in the first set.
Sharp serve there, and it will go straight into the net coming from Suk Ting Yu. So 6-3, Philippine Army. May kahawig na player dati tagad. Si Suk Ting Yu.
Sino?
Isipin mo kung sino pa kaya yung ganyan na itsura sa Ateneo before. Dati nilang libero. Stephanie Gabriel. Great attack there by Yu. Here's Bunag. Running attack, turns back, and that will go out. To the point will be running at the Fei Tian Wong. So 6-4 right now, dumidikit na itong Malaysia sa Philippine Army.
That's right, and even the number 10, the girl to look out for Tio is now in the front line.
Right, and of course bukas po dito lang po sa National Broadcasting Network at sa GMA Live TV. Ito pa makikita natin ang laban ng Ateneo kontra Vietnam. The Vietso Petro team will be going up against the Lady Eagles tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Let me guess, it's a petroleum-based company.
Could be. They have a Russian coach and 2 Russian imports.
Wow.
Talk about transfer of technology and overreaching. Backliner ba si Dakis? I think they were saying that Dakis is a backliner. So it will still be a violation.
yes.
Oh.
So in the front line is
A 4-2
Valse.
setup nila. Hindi rin eh.
Oh, well, I don't know what the call was. Sorry.
Backline attack daw eh. Here's Salak right now. Dakis into the net, and that was never touched there by the Malaysians. Tuwan-tuwa ang kanilang setter na ito si Laikuan Lim.
Well, here in the second set, in terms of numbers, Malaysia has picked it up in terms of digging. We were talking about reception earlier. Obviously, Malaysia now getting their groove here in the second set.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's Cho. Too much there for Salak to chase, and again, Chu Li Tan able to put it away. Boy, this 23-year-old's very tall. Look at that. 23 years
Wow.
old. Mukhang maliit to si Tina Salak kumpara doon.
Oo
Tina
nga.
Salak's one of the tallest players on the team. Nice serve there coming from KTN Wong, and a point here for the Philippine Army. A close second set here as Team Malaysia has all of a sudden picked it up. 8-7 Philippine Army.